Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm joined by Julio of Studio Suite. Julio, how are you doing today?
Good, good. Thanks for asking, Alicia. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. So in this week's video, we are going to be diving into another demo. We've been doing a lot of those lately, so definitely check those out if you are new to this video. But in this video, we are going to be talking about media asset management, and that is a module built into the Studio Suite software. So I'm going to turn that over to you. What can you tell me about that?
Yeah, thank you, Alicia. So in a lot of our projects, we need to keep track of our digital media assets. So whether you're building an episode for a TV show, working on an audio production, doing a commercial shoot for your marketing company, in any of those cases, you would need to keep track of your media assets. And that's something that Studio Suite offers. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and we can give you a sneak peek of how it's done. So right here, we're looking at our home screen in Studio Suite. Of course, we can see all the projects that are happening today. We can see events. These are line items that are associated with the projects on the left side. We can also see tasks and follow-ups that need to be done today. So that's just to get you organized throughout your day. But we're talking about media asset management. So for that, let's go ahead and open our library module. And let's pretend that we are working with Ozark, episode number 2, and we have a few titles. So maybe those titles could be an outdoor scene, a girl walking in front of a lake, an indoor scene number 2, and you can have a bunch of other scenes, right? Over here in our library module, we can also tell Studio Suite a lot of metadata information. So aspect ratios, what's the media type, if it's HD, where it's going to be archived to, anything like that. So you can keep track of it, right? Really cool. One of my favorite things in the library module is called disk log. So in this example, we're working on a TV episode and we're cutting some video on Premiere. So with disk log, you can create a path to your local computer, to a folder in your computer, and you can open up that project from there. So if I click on this Premiere project, I would be able to launch it right there from within Studio Suite. And I can go ahead and edit or do whatever I'm going to do with it right here. Now let me go back to Studio Suite. Here it is. So that's a really handy and neat. We can also see data details, tracks, related assets, packages. So it's very flexible and powerful. We also can establish rates if you have any rates for those assets that you're working with. And just to give you another quick example, we can also, let's take a look. Let's say it works also in audio production. So for example, if you're building up an album for Shakira, the titles would be your songs. We also have a disk log. So if we were to have a Pro Tools session, we can also go ahead and open our Pro Tools session right here.
Wow. That's really nice that you can open those projects right from the software.
Yes, really neat. One of my favorite features to keep you organized. And we also have a titles module. So I'm just going to show you a quick view of this one. In the title modules, you can have very detailed information. In this example, giving you an example of a song. So if you're working with a song, you can see the different elements of the song. You can have information on lyrics, scripts, and a little bit on publishing and copywriting. So this can help you keep track of your ISRC codes, writer agreements, the royalty shares, any samples that you use in a song, or licenses. So it covers a lot of this useful tracking information as well. All right, so that's the quick sneak peek I have for you. I'll hand it over to you, Alicia.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for showing me that. And I think that, my favorite part about the Studio Suite software, watching these demos with you, is really how everything is in one place. So to me, if you have a studio or if you're managing a studio, you need Studio Suite in your life. And that is very easy to do. You can easily get in contact with them. You can give them a call at the number on the screen. you can send an email to info@studiosuite.com. You can also visit the website, studiosuite.com, and there is a free 30-day trial on there, which we are going to discuss in another video next week. And if you would just like to contact them to find out more information, make sure you do so. Thanks again, Julio.
Thank you, Alicia.